Welcome to our channel One versus One. Our channel compares all the things in the universe. If you are interested in comparison, then subscribe our channel. Why should you subscribe our channel? To encourage our effort to get more interesting videos, to become one of our family member. Then we are waiting to subscribe our channel and enjoy the videos. In this video, we are going to compare the phones under 8000. One is Realme C3 and another one is Poco C3. The launch date of Realme C3 is 6th Feb 2020. The launch date of Poco C3 is 6th October 2020. Display and design. The screen size of Realme C3 is 6.5 inches. The screen size of Poco C3 is 6.53 inches. The screen resolution of Realme C3 is 720 x 1600 pixel. The screen resolution of Poco C3 is 720 x 1600 pixel. The screen type of Realme C3 is IPS LCD. The screen type of Poco C3 is IPS LCD. The pixel density of Realme C3 is 270 pixel per inch. The pixel density of Poco C3 is 269 pixel per inch. Screen to body ratio of Realme C3 is 89.8%. The screen to body ratio of Poco C3 is 89.7%. The screen protection of Realme C3 is Corning Gorilla Glass. The screen protection of Poco C3 is Panda Glass screen. The water resistance of Realme C3 is splash proof. The water resistance of Poco C3 is splash proof. The colors Realme C3 have is Frozen Blue, Blazing Red, Volcano Grey. The colors Poco C3 has Arctic Blue, Lime Green and Matte Black. Hardware. The chipset used in Realme C3 is MediaTek Helio G70. The chipset Poco C3 has MediaTek Helio G35. The GPU of Realme C3 is Mali G52. The GPU of Poco C3 is PowerVR GE8320. The RAM of Realme C3 is 3GB and 4GB. The RAM of Poco C3 is 3GB and 4GB. The internal storage of Realme C3 has 32GB and 64GB. The internal storage of Poco C3 have 32GB and 64GB. The micro SD card slot of Realme C3 is up to 256GB expanded. The micro SD card slot up to 512GB of Poco C3. Performance test. Overall performance of Realme C3 is 1,91,814. The overall performance of Poco C3 is 98,021. Boot time of Realme C3 is 25 seconds. The boot time of Poco C3 is 37 seconds. Gaming test. Graphics performance of Realme C3 is 2329. The graphic performance of Poco C3 is 1199. Battery drain after 30 minutes of gaming in Realme C3 is 5%. and in Poco C3 is 4%. Eating after 30 minutes of gaming in Realme C3 is 36.2 degrees Celsius and Poco C3 is 24.3 degrees Celsius. Main camera. Numbers of camera Realme C3 has dual and number of camera Poco C3 has triple. The resolution of main camera of Realme C3 is 12 plus 2 megapixel and Poco C3 is 13 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel. Flash. The main camera of Realme C3 have LED flash. The main camera of Poco C3 has LED flash. This two phone can record a video in main camera up to 1920 into 1080 at 30 fps. Front camera. Number of cameras in front in Realme C3 is single. The number of cameras in front in Poco C3 is single. The resolution of front camera in Realme C3 is 5 megapixel. The resolution of front camera in Poco C3 is 5 megapixel. The flash in front camera of Realme C3 is none. The flash in Poco C3 front camera is screen flash. The video recording in Realme front camera is 1920 into 1080 at 30 fps and same in Poco C3. General operating system of Realme C3 is Android 10. The operating system of Poco C3 is Android 10. UI. The Realme C3 have Realme UI and the Poco C3 has MIUI. The weight of Realme C3 is 195 gram. The weight of Poco C3 is 194 gram. The dimension of Realme C3 is 164.4 into 75 into 8.9 mm and Poco C3 is 164.9 into 77 into 9 mm. The SAR value of Realme C3 is head 0.5 and body 1.1. Poco C3 is head 0.8 and body 0.5. Battery capacity of Realme C3 battery is 5000 mAh. The Poco C3 has 5000 mAh battery capacity. Type lithium ion Realme C3. Poco C3 have lithium polymer type battery. The Realme C3 does not support wireless charging. The Poco C3 does not support wireless charging. Battery test. Battery life of Realme C3 is 18.3 hours. The battery life of Poco C3 is 18.3 hours. Battery charging time 20% to 100% of Realme C3 is 2.7 hours. Poco C3 is 2.8 hours. Connectivity and audio. SIM card slots dual in Realme C3 and dual in Poco C3. SIM card type Nano plus Nano in Realme C3, Nano plus Nano in Poco C3. Charging port of Realme C3 is micro USB 2.0. Charging port of Poco C3 is micro USB 2.0. Bluetooth in Realme C3 is Bluetooth 5.0. The Bluetooth in Poco C3 is Bluetooth 5.0. The 3.5 mm headphone jack Realme C3 have. The Poco C3 also have 3.5 mm headphone jack. Reason to consider Realme C3 over Poco C3. 71% better performance in Antutu benchmark, slow motion recording at 120 fps, 2x faster in single core Geekbench 5. The front camera can record up to video at 1080 pixel. Reason to consider Realme C3 over Poco C3. The phone is 8 months newer, it has triple camera, 1000 rupees cheaper than Realme C3.